Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're looking for natural ways to achieve glowing skin and luscious hair, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of essential oils and how they can transform your skin and hair health. Stick around because I'll be sharing the best essential oils, how to use them safely, and my top DIY recipes that you can start using today. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Also, check out the links below for my completely free gift to you. You have absolutely nothing to pay. So, let's continue with the benefits of essential oil. Number 1. Why essential oils work for skin and hair. Let's be real. Who doesn't want radiant skin and healthy, luscious hair? But with so many beauty products out there filled with chemicals and artificial ingredients, it's time to go back to nature's best-kept secrets, essential oils. They aren't just about nice scents. They're packed with powerful nutrients, antioxidants, and healing properties that can completely transform your skin and hair naturally. Whether you're battling dry skin, acne, wrinkles, hair thinning, or an irritated scalp, there's an essential oil that can help. And the best part? You can easily incorporate them into your daily routine without spending a fortune on expensive skincare and hair products. Number 2. Best essential oils for skin health. Now, let's talk about some of the best essential oils for your skin and how they work their magic. Tea tree oil. This is your go-to oil for acne-prone skin. Thanks to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, it fights breakouts, reduces redness, and helps keep your skin clear and fresh. Lavender oil. Perfect for soothing, sensitive skin. If you struggle with irritation or redness, lavender oil helps calm inflammation and even promotes relaxation because healthy skin starts with a stress-free mind. Rosehip oil. Want glowing, youthful skin? This oil is loaded with vitamin A and C, which help reduce dark spots, fine lines, and wrinkles while improving skin elasticity. Frankincense oil. This is the ultimate anti-aging secret. It tightens the skin, boosts collagen production, and helps fade scars and blemishes. Chamomile oil. If you have eczema, rosacea, or sensitive skin, chamomile oil is a must. It's incredibly gentle and deeply hydrates your skin while reducing inflammation. These oils are like a superfood for your skin. But how do you use them safely? Let's talk about that next. Number 3. Best essential oils for hair health. Now, let's move on to your hair. Whether you're looking to boost hair growth, fight dandruff, or add moisture, these essential oils can do wonders. Peppermint oil. Ever tried a scalp massage with peppermint oil? It's amazing. It stimulates hair growth, improves scalp circulation, and gives you that fresh, tingly sensation. Rosemary oil. If you're dealing with hair thinning or breakage, rosemary oil is a game changer. Studies show it can be just as effective as minoxidil, a common hair growth treatment, without the harsh chemicals. Cedarwood oil. Perfect for those struggling with oily scalp or dandruff. It balances the scalp's natural oils and promotes a healthy scalp environment. Argan oil. This is liquid gold for dry, frizzy hair. It deeply moisturizes, strengthens, and adds shine to your strands. Ylang ylang oil. If your hair feels brittle and dry, this oil is a lifesaver. It nourishes, strengthens, and improves hair texture, giving you softer, healthier locks. These oils will transform your hair care routine, but using them the right way is key, so let's get into that now. Number 4. How to use essential oils for skin and hair. Okay, now that we know which essential oils to use, let's talk about how to use them properly for maximum results. Dilution is key. Essential oils are highly concentrated, so never apply them directly to your skin or scalp. Always mix them with a carrier oil like jojoba, coconut, or sweet almond oil. A good rule of thumb? 2 to 3 drops of essential oil per teaspoon of carrier oil. DIY face serum for radiant skin. Mix 3 drops of rosehip oil, 2 drops of frankincense oil, and 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil. Apply before bed, and wake up with glowing, hydrated skin. Hair growth scalp massage. Blend 5 drops of rosemary oil, 3 drops of peppermint oil, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Massage into your scalp for 10 minutes and rinse after an hour. Do this 2 to 3 times a week for thicker, healthier hair. Acne spot treatment. Mix tea tree oil with aloe vera gel and apply directly to pimples overnight. It helps dry them out and reduces redness by morning. Anti-frizz hairspray. Combine argan oil, ylang ylang, and a little water in a spray bottle. Lightly mist your hair to tame flyaways and add shine. See? It's super easy to incorporate these oils into your beauty routine. But before you dive in, there are a few important safety tips you need to know. Number 5. Safety tips and warnings. Essential oils are powerful, so always keep these safety tips in mind. Always do a patch test before applying a new oil to your skin. Avoid direct sun exposure after using citrus oils like lemon or orange oil. They can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight. Never apply essential oils directly to your eyes or sensitive areas. If you're pregnant or have sensitive skin, consult a doctor before using essential oils. Use only high-quality, pure essential oils. Some cheap versions contain harmful chemicals that can do more harm than good. Follow these tips, and you'll enjoy all the amazing benefits of essential oils safely and effectively. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to using essential oils for skin and hair. Just a reminder, do not forget to check out the links below for your free gift, and don't also forget to subscribe to my channel for more. Now I want to hear from you. Which essential oil do you love the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. And make sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy, stay glowing, and take care.